Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to study about the indefinite integration. Now today we use the formula integration of ax plus b के पावर n dx इक्वल टू ax प्लस b के पावर n प्लस 1 डिवाइडेड बाई a. नाउ इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ ax प्लस b के पावर n dx इक्वल टू ax प्लस b के पावर n प्लस 1 डिवाइडेड बाई a n प्लस 1 प्लस c, where c the integrating constant. Now second integration of sin ax plus b dx equal to minus cos ax plus b divided by a minus cos ax plus b divided by a plus c. Third integration of cos ax plus b dx equal to sin of ax plus b divided by a plus c. Here, as we study about the such type of formula, sin integration of x to the power n dx equal to x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus here c n does not equal to minus 1 and integration of sin x dx equal to minus cos x plus c. Integration of cos x dx equal to sin x plus c. Here, now we take the some example here. Now here example 21, integration of sin 3x plus 5 dx. 22, integration of sin x by 2 minus 4 dx. 23, sin square x dx. Here, now solution of 21. Here, integration of sin 3x plus 5 dx. As we know that integration of sin ax plus b equal to minus cos ax plus b divided by a plus c. This is the formula integration of sin ax plus b equal to minus cos ax plus b by a. Here in the similar sense, a equal to 3 and b equal to 5, so that integration of this is minus cos 3x plus 5 divided by a. A is the product of x. Here this is 3 plus c. This is answer. Now 22, solution of 22, integration of sin x by 2, sin x by 2 minus 4 dx. In the similar sense, this is also equal to sin x, that is minus cos x by 2 minus 4, and divided by a. Here is the product of x. Product of x is half 1 by 2 plus c. This is answer. Now solution of 23. Here integration of sin square x dx, sin square x dx. As you know that cos 2x equal to cos square x minus sin square x. This is also equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. This is also equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. Now in this case sin square x, so that this comes here 2 sin square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x. This can be written as sin square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. So that here integration of 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2 dx. Now separate it. Integration of 1 by 2 dx minus 1 by 2 integration of cos 2x dx. This is a constant term, comes here 1 by 2, and integration of 1 dx. This is x minus 1 by 2 at cos 2x. Now as you know that sin cos ax, integration of cos ax plus b dx equal to sin ax plus b divided by a plus c here. So that integration of cos 2x is equal to sin here sin 2x and divided by 2 plus c. This is our answer here. Now next question. Now 24 integration of cos square cos square x dx. As we know that cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1, so that this comes here cos square x equal to 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. Now here integration of 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2 dx. Now integration of this is here 1 by 2 dx. This integration x by 2 and plus 1 by 2 cos 2x sin 2x divided by 2 plus c. This can be written as x by 2 plus 1 by 4 sin 2x plus c. Now next problem 25. Integration of x 2x plus 1 to the power 4 dx. Now if we break the 2x plus 1 to the power 4 and this after multiply we get a large expression and take long time, so that we use the technique here. This can be written as integration of here 1 by 2 and this can be written as 2x plus 1 dx. Now 1 by 2 here 2x plus 1 added and 1 subtracted. Here this is power of 4 subtracted and multiply here 2x plus 1 to the power 4 dx. Now these terms one part and this is one other part, so that this can be written as 1 by 2x plus 1 के power 5 integration of and minus 2x plus 1 के power 4 dx. Now integrating this here, as you know that ax plus b के power ax plus b. Now ax plus b के power n. Integration of this equal to ax plus b के power n plus 1 divided by a n plus 1 plus c. Now we apply this formula. Integration of ax plus b के power n dx equal to ax plus b के power n plus 1 divided by a n plus 1 plus c. Apply this here and now 1 by 2 this a 2x plus 1 के power n plus 1 5 plus 1 6 divided by a is 2 and n plus 1 5 plus 1 here minus in this case 2x plus 1 के power n plus 1 and 4 plus 1 5 divided by a is 2 and n plus 1 and 4 plus 1. Now This can be written as 1 by 2, 2x plus 1 के power 6 divided by 5 on 6, 6 to the 12 and minus 2x plus 1 के power 5 and this is 4 or 5 to the 10 to the 10 to the 20 and this can be also written as 24 here plus C. This is answer. Now question number 26. Here integration of sin to the power 4x dx and this can be written as integration of sin square x to the power 2 dx and cos 2x. As you know that cos 2x equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x, because cos 2x equal to cos square x minus sin square x and again put 1 minus sin square x, so that 1 minus 2 sin square x, this comes here 2 sin square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x. It means that sin square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2 here. Now sin square x, put this integration of 1 minus cos 2x, 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2 dx and square of this now here sin square x to the power 2 sin square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2 here and we apply the formula a minus b का whole square a square, this become 4 1 by 4 plus b square यानी cos square 2x by 4 minus this 1 by 4 and 2ab 2 cos 2x and here dx. Now in this case 1 by 4 here plus cos square 2x, this can also be written as cos square 2x equal to 1 plus cos 4x by 2, so that this can be written as this comes here and 1 plus cos 4x by 2 here and 2 cancel 1 by 2 here and this is cos 2x dx. Now open this. This is 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 to the 8, 1 by 4 and 1 by 4, that is 3 by 8 plus 1 cos 4x divided by 4 to the 8 and here minus cos 2x by 2 dx. Now integrate this. 1 by 4 is a constant, comes here 3 by 8 constant comes outside and here 1 dx, that integration is equal to x and 3x by 8. Now this is here 1 by 8 here and as you know that integration of cos ax plus b के power ax plus b dx that is equal to sin ax plus b divided by a comes here, so that cos 4x integration of this is sin 4x divided by a, and similarly cos 2x integration of this sin 2x divided by a here and 2 here, so that this c is the integration constant, so this is our answer. Now we take another example. Now here question number 27, integration of cos 2x cos 3x dx. This is in the product form, so that under loving integrations we arrange this, as we know that 2 cos A to cos B, this is a formula. 2 cos A to cos B equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Apply this here. Integration of cos A plus B 2x plus 3x plus cos A minus B 2x minus 3x dx. Now integration of cos 5x plus this is cos minus x, as you know that cos minus theta equal to cos theta, so that cos minus x equal to cos x dx. Now integration of cos x equal to sin x, as you know that integration of cos ax plus b dx equal to sin ax plus b divided by a plus c. We apply here. This is a cos 5x, so that sin 5x by a is the product of x, a plus cos x sin x 1 plus c. This is answer here. Cos 5x sin 5x divided by a 1 by a here, a is the 1. Now this is answer. Another question number 28 here. Sin 2x cos square x, integration of sin 2x into cos square x dx. Now we also arrange here cos square x cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1, so that cos square x equal to 1 plus cos 2x integration of sin 2x, and this is equal to 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2 into dx. Now this can be written as integration of sin 2x by 2 dx plus this is equal to sin 2x into cos 2x, sin 2x into cos 2x, multiply this sin 2x into cos 2x, and here if we multiply 2, then 2 and 1 2 here, dx, integration of this. Now integration of sin 2x divided by 2 dx plus 2 sin x into cos x, that is equal to sin 2x, so that here 2 sin 2x plus cos 2x, this is equal to sin 4x divided by 4 dx, integration of this. And now sin 2x integration of sin, as you know that integration of sin ax plus b, integration of sin ax plus b is minus cos ax plus b divided by a, so that this is 1 by 2 here, and sin 2x, this is a minus cos 2x divided by 2, 1 by 2 here, and sin 2x cos 2x divided by 2 plus sin 4x minus cos 4x divided by 4 here, and 4 also comes here, 4 comes here. This can be written as minus cos 2x by 4 minus cos 4x by 16 plus c here. Now we take another example here. Now here question number 29, sin x degree dx and 30 integration of cos x minus cos 2x divided by 1 minus cos x dx. First of all we take 29 here, integration of sin x degree dx, sin x degree dx. I will know that x 180 degree equal to pi radian, so that x degree equal to pi by x 180 into x radian. Now putting this value here, pi x by x 180 dx, and integration of this sin x, that is equal to minus cos x, so that sin pi x by x 180 minus cos pi x by x 180 divided by a is the ax plus b form, so that a equal to pi by 180 degree plus c integrating cos 10. This is our answer. And 30 question, integration of cos x minus cos 2x divided by 1 minus cos x. First of all we arrange this. This is cos x cos 2x divided by 1 minus cos x dx. We put the formula cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. Here this comes here, minus 2 cos square x, and that arranged in 2 form, minus cos square x minus cos square x, and minus minus plus here. Now we take the common cos x, 1 minus cos x, and this is 1 minus cos square x. This can be written as 1 plus cos x and 1 minus cos x. We take the common 1 minus cos x here and remove with the help of this. Here cos x plus 1 plus cos x remain here, and that is 1 plus 2 cos x dx, so that integration of 1 dx equal to x, and 2 is a constant, and integration of cos x equal to sin x, so that x plus 2 sin x plus c. This is the integration of these functions. Now we take another. Now we take another example. Now like, subscribe my videos and share with your friends. Thank you. Next another video.